Hey, to edit watch faces on the Xiaomi Watch S3, all you have to do is just to grab your watch, click on this button to turn on the screen. Now you will have to click and hold with your finger on the watch face. And now from his, first of all, you can actually select the different watch faces. Let's say that I want to edit this one. So I have to click, let's do this one more time. Swipe into the watch face that you want to edit and then click on the edit button. And now from this, first we can actually swipe down to change the color theme. Let's get the yellow, for example. Now when you swipe into the left side, we can actually add the widgets. So we have to click right here. And now we can actually find the different widgets for this watch face. On the other watch faces, you can actually add other widgets. So you have to remember about this. Let's pick this one. There we go. And click here. And as you can see right now, that's how this watch face looks. And that's how we can do this for every watch face on this watch. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.